Hello, welcome to the Fibroid Shrinking Kitchen. My name is Josephine. I realized I haven't done one of these videos in a long time to show you what I bring into our kitchen to basically heal our gut, for specifically me to help restore my hormones in balance, to really help with fixing any gut issues, generally for optimal health. These are the foods that we bring into our home, and we also feed the same foods to our children just to promote that healthy eating. So if you are thinking about, you want to reset your gut, you want to make, restore your liver to start functioning, to start creating enzymes by providing the vitamins, the nutrients that your body need in order for you to break estrogen, specifically if you're shrinking fibroids. It's important for you to start introducing alive foods into your kitchen, into your body, so you can promote that healing. You need to create a space for healing. You need to do your part as much as you can and reintroduce really healthy eating, whole plant-based foods into your diet for you to start experiencing that healing. So anyway, let me just get started. I want to give you an idea of what I bring into the kitchen, and this is basically how I usually meal plan for the week. So for this week, I've just gone to the groceries. Normally, I start with the fruits. I try to keep it low sugar content fruits. I do not want to keep feeding any sort of inflammation in the body, and sugar is it's so inflammatory. So, and estrogen also loves sugar. So if you're trying to shrink fibroids, be very conscious about the amount of sugar that you're bringing into your diet. So I try to keep low sugar fruits, just the good balance, not too much. So I get some apples, some little bit of tangerine for vitamin C, apples for fiber, a little bit of sweetness, and then we have some avocado, such a healthy superfood for women, for overall ovary and just your womb health. Avocado is like a must thing for a woman in the kitchen or in their body, because it just provides really amazing health benefits. So if you haven't started eating avocado, I highly recommend. You can have it on the side, on your salad by its own. You can make a smoothie out of it. It's amazing. We have some kiwi, which are high in vitamin C, low sugar content. Berries are a must in our home. Antioxidant, low sugar content. They're amazing powerhouse in restoring and healing the body. So I do wild blueberries. There's our frozen section, and then we keep the blackberries and raspberries. It's like a must at home. So we have some cantaloupe, and get some green bananas, just to keep again that sugar content low. If you go green bananas, you're not consuming a lot of sugar. When it's so ripe, it's so yellow, it's high in sugar, right? So for the yellow ones, I keep that for baking, and for the green ones are perfect for just eating as a snack. And you can add that to your smoothie, just a go-to snack for sure. Pears are excellent in fiber. Fiber is just one of those things you want to introduce to your diet, because fiber really helps with getting rid of estrogen in the body. So if your diet is not high in fiber, reconsider that. Reset your body, introduce fiber into your diet for you to be able to synthesize the estrogen. So pears are excellent in fiber, low sugar. Again, I emphasize low sugar fruits. If you're on a journey, if you're juicing, I used to juice, I don't do that anymore. Reason number one, my juicer broke. I haven't bought another one. But the other thing is, if you're juicing, please be very cautious on the amount of sugar of fruits that you're using. Keep it simple. If you're doing green juice, keep it low sugar green vegetables, just juice that. Try to avoid adding a lot of high sugar content fruits into your juicing because you do not want to feed estrogen. And then we have some lime for morning. In the morning, you have your warm water, you squeeze some lime in there in a salad to really help with your vitamin C for detoxification. Those are excellent. In terms of snacks, we have the almond crackers. We like this one. Pumpkin seeds are perfect seeds that really promote a great benefit to your hormones. They are excellent with omega-3s. Pumpkin seed are really excellent to bring into your diet as well. Add them in your salad. Eat them raw as a snack, add them to your smoothie with your avocado, your green banana. Make yourself a really hearty smoothie that is healing your body and restoring your gut in order for you to start creating enzymes that is going to break that estrogen from your body. And now we have some walnuts. I love walnuts, are perfect. They're excellent nuts to bring into your diet as well. So in terms of oils, we have olive oil. I do encourage avoiding a lot of the vegetable oils and getting yourself good oils. I like coconut oil for baking, but I also do bake with some olive oil, but I cook with olive oil pretty much everything. I do not deep fry food. I saute food. I saute with olive oil. I bake with olive oil, and I have some maple syrup when I am baking. I use that, a little bit of sweetness, just being mindful about that. Okay. So when it comes to the veggies, this is this week, this is what we got for the vegetable section. Asparagus. Oh, beauty right here. This one will really work that bad stuff off your liver. It's going to restore your gut. Any issues with the gut, these are just excellent green vegetables to introduce. You can slightly saute it, just to still retain that greenness. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you have yourself really tasty, a highly nutritious vegetable, really, really good for the gut. Here I have a mix of potatoes. I have some sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. I'm just going to bake this in the oven. A little bit of starch, carbohydrates on the side. Why not, right? And then we have some zucchini. I will be using this for baking. I will make a zucchini bread. I love zucchini bread. That's my latest recipe I've been going into, and I use spelt flour. As I said, introducing those ancient grains are a great way to consume grains, enjoy grains, but you are eating a less processed grains. So zucchini bread, or you can use this in a salad, cut it raw, peel. I always peel because, again, still, pesticides, all the chemicals they spray on our food, you still have to be mindful about these things. Spaghetti squash, this is going to go in the oven as well. And then I lightly put some olive oil, some pepper. I use that. So instead of I alternate between the potatoes, a little bit of spaghetti. I have some zucchini on the side, add a little bit of protein. There's fresh ginger right there. I'll make some ginger tea in the evening. Really good for anti-inflammatory, just to really help you restore, calm down if you're having any bloating issues, for your stomach. Really good for fighting any sort of ailments, boosting your immunity. Fresh ginger, amazing. Turmeric, amazing as well. And now I have arugula, bitter vegetables. Arugula is perfect. Watercress, excellent. Dandelion, excellent. Why are bitter vegetables excellent for you? Because they are going to really help you with your hormone balancing. They're going to really help you restore your balance. Your hormones love bitter vegetable. The more bitter vegetable you're eating, the better for you, the better for your gut, the better for your enzymes that you're creating. Bitter vegetables are way to go, definitely. Some broccoli, lightly saute that, really excellent. High in vitamin C. It's a great way to just add this green leafy vegetable. I now saute my veggies. I lightly saute my veggies. Arugula, you can eat that raw on the side, but I can also lightly saute it. I like to saute my vegetable because it will help with that gassiness. If that will also help you, because sometimes the green vegetables, they also do contain natural toxins. And when you saute them, when you introduce a little bit of heat, that helps with getting rid of some of those toxins. So it's important to think about that, sauteing. But some vegetables you can eat raw, or you can lightly saute. Celery, perfect. It's an excellent low sugar content. You can add it. I'm going to make soup, bean soup. I'll add that. I'll add some carrots in the bean soup as well. And we also snack on that raw. Lunchtime, get yourself some hummus, get your raw carrots. Excellent vitamin A, vitamin C, excellent for boosting your immune system. You cannot go wrong if you bring your whole plant-based foods into your kitchen. I am telling you, there is no way you will go wrong. Your body is going to thank you. Okay, some cilantro to saute spice up and create some beautiful aroma and taste for the food you're making. I have some peppers. I like to get them variety. I get the red pepper, the yellow, and the orange, but I decided to just stick with one, and I'll cut that into a salad, or we can just, eat that raw. We combine that and you just munch on it. Cabbage is really great for you. This is just an excellent vegetable that is great for your gut, for healing and restoring your gut. You will not go wrong with bringing the purple cabbage, the yellow cabbage. So I just alternate. If we have this week, next week I'm going for the purple cabbage. I make my own sauerkraut. It's very simple, and then I just keep it in the fridge. So it's all about healing your gut. When your gut is healthy, you're able to create the enzymes that are really going to help you. You're going to break down those hormones and balance them. So we have some onions, red and white. I mix it up. For the grains this week, I have wild black rice. I have some millet as well. So the millet I'm going to use I bought some chef mix mushrooms. Usually I go with portobello, shiitake mushroom, but I have not tried some of these, but I'm willing to give it a chance, try. And I'm just going to saute that with olive oil, some pepper. I'm going to add that. I'm just going to play around with it and see how I feel. When I'm cooking in the kitchen, I go with my feelings. I just taste food. I add some spices to spice things up. So definitely be experimental in the kitchen. Nothing has to be set in your kitchen, okay? Some protein, red lentils. I got these ones here. I like them. They're really good. So I keep food very simple food that tastes really good. This is what we're going to have in terms of additional protein. I have some beans on the side in the fridge I already made. So that's going to be an additional protein on the side also. I eat some eggs. I'll boil some eggs. As I said, I've reintroduced eggs and wild caught fish into the diet. So during the week, if we're running low on some of the food, I would boil some eggs. I will add some green veggie, a little bit of starch on the side, or wild caught fish. So this is what, if you're thinking of restoring your gut, if you're thinking about how you're going to support your body, your liver to really detox those extra estrogen from your body, in order for you to balance, think about reintroducing these foods in your kitchen, because when you have this kind of food in your fridge, you have no choice but to eat it, right? But if you're stocking yourself up with junk food, things that are not supporting your body, you're really going to take time to heal your body. So I hope that you taking time to think about what you're bringing into your home, your kitchen, is going to really do some magic in your body, and that this video is giving you an idea of some of the foods that I eat, and it always looks different every week. As I said, I try to keep low sugar foods, and think about that as well. And try to keep your food simple. The simpler it is, the easier for you to make. If you're buying some veggies that are just lightly salty, make your grains, and then all is good. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.